I'm scared.
Hush, child, it'll be okay.
Don't make eye contact. Don't make eye contact. Don't make eye contact. Don't make eye contact.
Oh, unhand me, you big brute. Pickles, I'll always love you.
In the name of the butter, the milk, and the cheese, I bless all of you.
Got flattered?
Amen.
He's going to the north!
Chug, 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 chug!
Aye, shut the door, laddie.
Come sit on my lap. Okay, Franz.
Oi, Blondie, your mum's looking a little plump. Looks like she needs a crane to get in the front door.
Oh, shut up!
Hey, those be fighting words. Hold me back, laddies. Hold me back.
Sir Jeffers is dead!
Drinks all around!
You haven't seen the last of Sir Jeffers. All right, laddie. We put on a good show. Now, this is no. No, please. I have a wife. I think. Do we have wives?
I will miss Sir Jeffers. He was a good, a brave soul.